Hello again and welcome to GPA Distance Learning. Our lesson for today is all about problem solution paragraph. Before we are going to start, we are going to learn a new club today, and this is called Problem Solution Club. So are you ready? Here is our club today. 1, 2, 3, problem, solution. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, problem, solution. That's great. Now let's move to our big questions. How do I write a paragraph that discusses ways to solve a problem? And how do I clearly show one way to solve a problem? Here are our vocabulary words. When you say problem, it is a situation, person, or thing that needs attention and needs to be dealt with or solved. Or problem, it needs to be solved. So how about solution? So it is the answer to a problem. Now, what is really a problem solution paragraph? So first, it explains a problem, and then afterwards, it proposes one or more solution to that problem. Now, I have here one example. This is our problem, and here it is our solution. Now remember, problem, what goes wrong? So Sam hit his head and got a big bump. So this is our problem now. Now how about the solution? Solution, how the problem is fixed or solved. Now here is our solution to this problem. He got an ice pack and put it on his head. Again, this is our solution now to this problem. Now remember, the problem and solution must fit together. Now let's move to the parts of problem solution paragraph. The first part is introduction. When you say introduction, where the problem is clearly stated. Now I have here an example of a problem solution paragraph, and then we are going to check the introduction. This is entitled Tree Trouble. Now let's start. Our family enjoys camping in the woods. But we do not always know the names of the plants and trees we see there. This can be a major problem. Can you imagine walking through poison ivy because you don't know what it is? Itchy. So that is our introduction. If you have noticed that the problem is clearly stated. We are done with introduction. Now let's move to the second part. It is body. Now, when you say body, that includes a possible solution and facts that support the solution. Now, let's check again the example. Now, we are done with our introduction. Now, let's move to our body. Now, one way to solve this problem is to take a nature guidebook with us. It shows pictures of different plants and tells about each one. A guidebook can teach us which plants are poisonous. Plus, we can read about which types of tree branches are best for making a campfire. For example, wood from spruce trees makes a lot of smoke. It can also throw sparks, which is not safe. So, if you have noticed, in our body, the solution is already written there and also the facts about the solution. So, when you say conclusion, that it explains the significance of the solution or the importance of the solution. Now, let's check with our example. Now, this is our conclusion now, the end part. Now, a guidebook can teach us about the plants and help to keep us safe when we are camping. So this is our conclusion now. Now, if you have noticed, in our conclusion, it explains the significance or the importance of our solution. So let's move here. What makes a great problem solution paragraph? Now remember, the problem is clearly stated at the beginning. An opinion poses a solution to the problem, and reasons and examples support the solution. So, I think you are ready now to make your own problem solution paragraph. So, I have here a graphic organizer. All you have to do is to complete this one and put it in your copybook. And think of a problem you faced before as a student. So, enjoy writing.